Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jasmine, aka Dash with Jazz, and I talk all about cooking, traveling, and living well. Today we're in my kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite cocktail recipes for the holiday season, Thanksgiving specifically. This is my cranberry apple spice mule. It is a twist on a Moscow mule with some seasonal flavors, as you can probably tell by the name. And it's good to have on hand in case your family members are shady or otherwise stressful, which we all experience during the holidays. So let's get into the recipe.
So let's get into the ingredients. You'll first need vodka. I am not partial to any brand of vodka. This is not sponsored by Tito's. This is just what I have on hand. But if you are a vodka aficionado, use whatever you would prefer to drink in this cocktail. Next up is ginger beer. Again, not brand specific. If you like a spicier ginger beer, go for that. If you like something sweeter, go for that. We're not adding any sugar to this drink, but there is sugar in some of the other ingredients. Next up, I have a couple of fresh limes. We will use the juice of half of a fresh lime, as well as a couple of slices for garnishes, just to make it festive. It's the holidays after all. And then a cinnamon stick. You can stir up your mule with this actually once you're mixing everything together to add a little more spice to it. But I'm using apple cider, so I'm just going to add this again as a garnish at the end. And then cranberry sauce. Use whatever kind of cranberry sauce you would eat on Thanksgiving Day. I like the canned jelly kind. Don't come for me. Okay, moving right along to apple cider, or you could use plain old apple juice if that's what you have, but you will want to go in and stir with that cinnamon stick like I mentioned earlier so that you can get the apple spice vibes going. Lastly, ice. I'm using cobbled ice, aka fancy ice or sonic ice. As far as tools, you'll need a cocktail shaker. This cute glass one is an Amazon find via one of my foodie friends. I just love that it's clear so I can see everything that's going on in real time, and I will add a link to it for you in the video description. Next, you'll need a jigger to measure the apple cider and the vodka with. You could also use a shot glass if you don't have one. That will match the measurement of this top side, the large side. And go ahead and use a proper copper mug for this mule recipe. If you don't have one, I will link to a set that is under 20 bucks in the video description. So go ahead and fill your cocktail shaker halfway with ice. Then add in 2 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of apple cider, and a teaspoonful of cranberry sauce. Again, save your comments. Now we're going in with the juice of half of a fresh lime. And now you're going to cover the cocktail shaker and shake like you stole something, shake like a video vixen at an audition. So go ahead and fill your copper mule halfway with ice, and then we're going to simply strain in that shaken mixture. It's not going to get all of the cranberry bits if you're using like whole berry cranberry sauce, and that's okay. Now top up the glass with your ginger beer all the way up to the top, and then we are going to go in with a little spoon and give it a quick stir. You could use a cinnamon stick for this step if you're using plain old apple juice, and then garnish with a little lime wheel. Just again, festive, fancy, extra is the holidays, and a cinnamon stick if you have and if you want to do it.
So that is my cranberry apple spice Moscow mule, aka Thanksgiving mule. You'll want to have this on hand, like I said, for dealing with your extended friends and family during the holiday season. I love my family, but I cook and prep dinner for everyone almost every year, and at the end of that, I need a couple of these. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If there's anything else you want to see, any questions you have, leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Lastly, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I put out new videos every single week. Thank you for watching.